In today's video, I am going to teach you how to set up Brevo. To begin, you will be working in the Brevo settings area. This is where you manage things like your senders and the domains that are allowed to send email. Make sure you are signed into your Brevo account before you start, and keep an eye on the top navigation so you can follow along without getting lost. First, click your profile name in the top right corner of Brevo. This is usually a drop-down menu, and it opens the account and settings options. When you click it, a menu should appear, showing different sections you can access. If you do not see a menu right away, try clicking again carefully, because this step is what gets you into the correct settings page. Next, from the menu, go to Settings. Then, within Settings, look for and click Senders, Domains, and Dedicated IPs. This section is specifically designed for email sending configuration. It is important because adding your domain here is what helps Brevo recognize that you are sending from your own website domain. Take a moment to confirm you are on the right page by checking the page title or header area. Once you are in the Senders, Domains, and Dedicated IPs area, click Domains. This will take you to the part of Brevo where you manage domain-related setup. At this point, you should see a list of domains if you have added any previously, or you may see an empty state if you are just starting. Either way, the goal of this section is the same. You will add your website domain so Brevo can use it for sending. Now that you are on the domains page, you will add a new domain. Look for the option to add a domain, and click Add a Domain. This step is the moment where Brevo starts the setup flow for your domain. After you click it, you should see a form or a field where you can enter the domain you want to use. Next, type your website domain into the provided field. For example, you should enter the domain exactly as it is used for your website. Make sure there are no extra spaces before or after the domain, because spaces can cause errors during saving. Also, double-check the spelling, since an incorrect domain will prevent proper setup and could delay your sending. After you have entered the domain, click Save. This submits your domain to Brevo and confirms it in your account. You may see a confirmation message, or the domain may appear in the domains list. If you do not see an immediate update, wait a moment and refresh the page carefully, since systems sometimes take a few seconds to reflect changes. To wrap up, once the domain is saved, you have completed the core step of registering your domain in Brevo. That means Brevo now knows which domain you intend to send from, which is the foundation for the next parts of email authentication and setup. And that covers everything you need to know for adding your domain in Brevo. And that is all there is to it.